A father's dua carries significant power, reflecting deep love and faith, as it serves as a direct line to Allah's mercy. Abu Darda reported, the Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, said, the father is the middle of the gates of paradise. If you wish, you can squander this gate or keep to it. Dua of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. This dua was made by Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam to thank Allah for the blessings given to him and his parents. Rabbi auzi'ani an ashkura ni'mataka allati an'amta alayya wa ala walidayya wa an amala salihan tarzwahu wa adkhilni birahmatika fi ibadika salihin. Translation. My Lord, enable me to be grateful for your favor, which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to do righteousness of which you approve, and admit me by your mercy into your righteous servants. This is a beautiful and simple dua asking Allah to bring happiness to one's father as a reward for the happiness he provided to his child. Allahumma asid abi kama asadani kasira waraham abi kama rahimani sagira. Allahumma ajal fi qalbihi nura wa fi hayatihi nura wa fi khabrihi nura wa an yaminihi nura wa an shimalihi nura. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Noorul Wadud for more videos. What topic should we cover next? Write in comment section.